Welcome to your journey through the stars. Tonight, you'll fall asleep to space facts that are as relaxing as they are mind-expanding. As your breath slows and your body softens, let go of the day behind you. You're not just falling asleep, you're floating through the universe, drifting past ancient stars, distant galaxies, and the quiet beauty of deep space. With each calm and fascinating fact, you'll feel yourself sinking deeper into rest. So close your eyes. Let the cosmos keep you company. This is your time to wonder, to learn, and to dream among the stars. Let's begin our journey with the stars. They shine above you each night, but most of them are so far away. Their light began traveling long before humans ever looked up to see it. Our sun is one of those stars, a quiet, powerful sphere of gas burning for over 4.5 billion years. It provides nearly all the energy that life on Earth depends on, and yet it's just an average-sized star. More than 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. Still, some stars make it look small. Take UI Scuti, a red supergiant so vast its surface would stretch past the orbit of Jupiter if it replaced our sun. Stars like these are born in clouds of dust and gas, places we call nebulae. Inside these dark clouds, gravity begins its silent work, pulling atoms together until pressure builds and a star is born. This process, called nuclear fusion, is what powers every star in the universe. It's what makes them shine. Some stars burn quickly and live short, brilliant lives. Others burn slowly for billions of years. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it may explode in a supernova, an enormous burst of energy that can outshine an entire galaxy. What's left behind might become a neutron star, so dense that a single teaspoon would weigh more than a mountain, or it might collapse into a black hole, a region of space where not even light can escape. Our closest neighboring stars are part of the Alpha Centauri system. They're just over 4 light years away. That means their light takes more than 4 years to reach us. In fact, every star you see in the night sky is a glimpse into the past. Some of them may no longer exist, and yet their light is still arriving. There are different kinds of stars. Red dwarfs are small and cool. They are the most common stars in the universe, and they can burn for trillions of years. Blue stars burn much hotter, but they live fast and die young. And there's something else to remember. Everything in your body, every atom of calcium, carbon, iron, and oxygen was created inside a star. You are made of the same material as the stars above you. You are not separate from the universe. You are a part of it. Let's leave the stars behind and drift toward the planets. They orbit our sun in silent patterns, each one a world of its own, with stories carved in dust, storms, oceans, and time. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. It's a small, airless world where temperatures swing wildly, hot enough to melt lead during the day and freezing cold at night. Next comes Venus. Shrouded in thick yellow clouds, it's the hottest planet in the solar system. Its atmosphere traps heat like a giant pressure cooker. And on Venus, one day lasts longer than its entire year. It even spins backward, opposite to most planets. Then there's Earth, the only planet we know that cradles life. It has liquid water on the surface, a breathable atmosphere, and a moon that helps keep its tilt stable, quietly influencing the seasons and tides. Mars, the red planet, is dry and dusty, but it wasn't always. Long ago, rivers once flowed across its surface, and now Frozen water still hides beneath its soil. It holds the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and canyons wider than the Grand Canyon. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a vast region of rocky debris, the leftovers from the solar system's formation. Jupiter is the giant. It's more massive than all the other planets combined. Its swirling storms have raged for centuries, and the Great Red Spot alone is large enough to fit Earth inside. Jupiter has at least 95 moons. One of them, Europa, may have a liquid ocean hidden beneath a shell of ice. Some scientists believe it could host life, not in the sunlight, but in the darkness below. Then comes Saturn, wrapped in rings that shimmer like frozen lace. The rings are made of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny pebbles to massive boulders. And Saturn's moon, Enceladus, it sprays water into space from icy cracks at its surface. Titan, another of Saturn's moons, has rivers and lakes, but not of water. They're filled with liquid methane under an orange sky. Uranus spins on its side, rolling through space like a tilted marble. Its blue-green glow comes from methane in its atmosphere. And Neptune, farthest from the sun, is a dark, windy world with storms that rage across its frozen skies. Beyond the known planets lies Pluto, once called the 9th planet, now considered a dwarf planet. Still, it has icy mountains and a glacier shaped like a heart, and throughout the solar system, moons orbit silently, more than 200 of them, some frozen, some volcanic, some hiding secrets beneath the surface. Each planet, each moon, is a part of the same ancient system, a cosmic dance still unfolding as you fall deeper into rest. Let's drift even deeper into space, into the places where time slows and light disappears. These are black holes, and they may be the most mysterious objects in the universe. A black hole begins when a massive star collapses in on itself. With no fuel left to burn, its core falls inward, crushed into something so dense it warps the fabric of space itself. Surrounding it is the event horizon. It's not a surface, but a boundary, a point where gravity becomes too strong, even for light to escape. Anything that crosses this line doesn't come back. From the outside, time near a black hole begins to stretch. A falling object appears frozen at the edge, while inside, time continues as if nothing changed. At the center is something we can't fully explain, a singularity, where matter is compressed to infinite density, and the known laws of physics break down. Black holes come in different sizes. Some are only a few miles wide, others are supermassive, millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun. At the center of our galaxy, there's a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius, a star. It sits silently, holding the Milky Way together. In 2019, we captured the first image of a black hole, a dark shadow surrounded by a glowing ring of light. That black hole lives in a galaxy 55 million light years away. Some black holes spin, some may carry an electric charge, and when two black holes collide, they send out ripples in space itself. We call these gravitational waves, and today we can detect them. If you could fall into a black hole, you might never reach the center. Space could stretch infinitely, and time might stop altogether. Some theories suggest that black holes could lead somewhere else, like tunnels through space-time. They're called wormholes, and though we've never found one, the math says they might be possible. There's so much we don't know, but one thing is certain: black holes are not empty. They are full of energy, gravity, and secrets. Even in their silence, they shape galaxies, bend time, and rewrite our understanding of the universe. And even now, as you sleep, they are still spinning quietly in the dark. Now, let's zoom out, far beyond the stars you see, beyond the planets and black holes, into the vastness of deep space. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way, a spiral of stars, gas, dust, and mystery. It stretches over 100,000 light years across and holds more than 100 billion stars. But our galaxy is just one of many. In the observable universe, there are over 2 trillion galaxies, each one a floating island of stars suspended in the darkness. Some galaxies are spiral-shaped like ours, others are smooth, round, or chaotic and irregular. No two are exactly the same. The largest known galaxy is called IC 1101. It's over 6 million light-years wide. That's 60 times wider than the Milky Way. Between galaxies, there's not much, just the quiet blackness of intergalactic space. But even that space isn't empty. It's filled with dark matter, a mysterious substance that doesn't emit light, but still exerts gravity. We don't know what it is, but we know it's there. It holds galaxies together. Even stranger is dark energy. It's what causes the universe to expand, not just outward, but faster and faster over time. That means the space between galaxies is stretching, and someday, distant galaxies may be too far away to ever see again. We believe the universe began nearly 13.8 billion years ago, in a moment we call the Big Bang. It wasn't an explosion in space, it was the rapid expansion of space itself. And it left behind something quiet, something ancient, a faint glow, still detectable today. It's called the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in the universe. We can see galaxies so far away. Their light began its journey before Earth even formed. Looking into deep space is like looking into deep time. Galaxies aren't frozen, they move, they collide, and in about 4 billion years, our Milky Way will merge with the nearby Andromeda Galaxy. But don't worry, the stars inside are so far apart, they likely won't crash. They'll pass through one another like shadows. As you rest, know this: you are part of a galaxy, drifting through space, in a universe that's still expanding, a universe that's still creating, still surprising, still unfolding even now. You've traveled across the stars, through planets and moons, black holes and distant galaxies, but now let's come back to you, because you are not separate from the universe. You are a part of it. Every atom in your body, your bones, your blood, your breath, was formed inside a dying star. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your teeth, the oxygen in your lungs was created in ancient supernovas billions of years ago. You are made of stardust, and you are still moving through the cosmos. Right now, as you lie still, the Earth spins at about 1,000 miles per hour. We orbit the Sun at over 67,000 miles per hour, and the entire solar system is circling the center of the Milky Way at over 500,000 miles per hour. Even while you sleep, you are in motion. You are part of something vast, something beautiful, something ancient. In 1977, we launched a small spacecraft into space. It was called Voyager 1. It's still traveling, more than 14 billion miles away now, the farthest any human-made object has ever gone. On board is a golden record. It carries sounds, music, greetings from Earth, just in case someone or something finds it. Even now, Voyager 1 drifts silently through interstellar space, a tiny message in a vast ocean. The universe is quiet, but not empty. Astronauts say that space has a scent, like metal or welding fumes. There's no sound, but there is energy, radiation, motion. Your body, your mind are part of that same story. You don't need to understand everything. You don't need to solve the mysteries. You only need to remember you belong here. You are part of this vast, expanding universe. You are made of the same elements as stars and galaxies. And tonight, you can rest, knowing that the cosmos will keep turning, and you are exactly where you're meant to be. Thank you for taking this quiet journey through the universe. If this helped you relax or taught you something new, feel free to come back anytime. There are always more stars to explore, and if you would like to keep drifting through space with us, you can subscribe and let the cosmos be your guide whenever you need rest or wonder. Until next time, sleep well and dream among the stars.